program. So, can you introduce yourself? What is your name?
My name is Lucas.
Hi Putra. Where do you live?
I live in Sibolga.
Sibolga. Same the place, right? How old are you?
I am 19 years old.
19.
By the way, I want to ask you something to you. What do you like about campus?
What I like is about the campus. The first, I like facilities are good in the campus, and the second, I like meet new friends on campus.
Oh, I like this campus, but what I like about this campus is the lecturer is very strict.
Lecture.
What's about this?
My hobby. Sun, the moon, what's the land inside, you know? My hobby is singing.
Oh, I can sing, but I can play guitar. Can you accompany me to the festival next week?
Yes, of course.
Because I want to perform in the festival, so I need friends to accompany me.
Okay, I can sing for you.
Okay, we need to practice for the festival.
Okay.
We will meet at the grocery at my
Yes, I do.
okay. Do you have WhatsApp?
I have.
What's your number?
Okay. 08
Okay,
13
okay,
14
okay,
13.
okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.